Hi, this is a quick video how to make my high-demanded pen pillow box, using the Cricut. We start in Design Space, uploading the cut file. You can either browse or drag your cut file into Design Space. My files always come in two versions. One version with a score line and one with just a fold line. This file is with the fold line and Cricut users can use their scoring stylus. It's not what I am going to use in this video. I am going to use the file with the score line so everyone can make this box. You can either browse or drag your cut file into Design Space. To cut your project successful, you need to know a few simple things. Start with ungroup the design. Go to your layers in the right and click your right mouse button. Then choose ungroup. Let me show you what happens if you don't do the next step. And leave the cut file as is. As you can see, the Cricut won't cut a box. It will cut all the parts separately. Even the score line. Go to your layers again and click the first layer. Now go to the bottom and click on Attach. Now you have attached all the elements for the box onto each other. The Cricut now know that it should be cut all at the same time. You can duplicate your project if you need more than one. Just click on the amount you need. And don't forget to click on the Apply button. I use A4 paper, so I adjust the material size. As you can see, the projects will be rearranged. They fit perfectly. I use light cardstock in this project. If you cut a lot of the same designs, click on Remember Material Settings. This will save you time choosing the material every cut. Now let's load the mat into the machine and let it work. If you don't want to curl your paper, roll the mat lightly like this and the paper will come off straight. It cut perfectly. Now let's get this box together. Because of the score line, it will fold quick and easy. I used double adhesive tape, but you can also use glue. I can't wait to see your creations. Share them with me in the comments or tag me on social media. Let's inspire each other. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crafty fun. See you in the next one. Bye.